everybody, Cherish the Misty Painter here. I am going to try to recreate a painting I did that I did not record. Yes, I'm very upset I didn't record it. I was just playing around with some paint. My table was a mess and I said I'm just going to try this. This is what I made off camera. I instantly fell in love. I really enjoyed the process. It's my first official sunflower. I loved the idea of half of a sunflower. So I thought I'd go a little bit bigger. This is an 8 by 16. I'm going to try to do it on a 10 by 20. We'll see how it goes. I'm using the exact same colors that I used in this one, except I'm making my yellow ring just a little bit bigger. This ring, there was not a lot of yellow, so I want to make it a little bit bigger so that I have more yellow in it for the next one. So my colors are Bronze by Liquitex and Bronze by Amsterdam, which is quite funny because they're the same label, same name, and absolutely not the same color. And then this is Primary Yellow by Liquitex, and then my white is Pearl Essence by Creative Inspirations and Titanium White by Amsterdam mixed together. So wish me luck on this one. I'm really hoping I can recreate what I did off camera. Even if my table was a mess and I'd recorded it, at least I could have gone back and seen how I did it. So I'm very upset with myself for not recording it. Even if it was a total mess, at least I would have been able to see how I did it. So I really need some luck on this one. So here I go. Before I start, I think I might add just a very small amount of this Pebeo Iridescent Gold with the yellow, just a little bit. I do want the yellow to not be so metallic, but I just want to add a little bit of this in there, just a little bit. Okay, besides this one being a little bit too white, dare I try this one again? Dare I try it again? All right, I am. I'm gonna try it just a little bit. Oh God, I hope I don't screw this up. Oh, I'm super excited with how this came out. Now I have to make sure it's on a super level surface and everything dries okay. So stay tuned for the dried results. I had to show them together. they're just so cool. This is the first one that I did. As you can see here, the petals, they got a little white right here, but I love right here how the bronze came up through it. I just love it. And then this one was the second one. I love the texture here in the middle right here. I definitely cannot wait to do more. They almost go together. This one has a little bit of a bigger area here, and this one has bigger petals, so it's just really cool. I think I'm going to do another one with a dark background with the petals being yellow. This was so much fun. I can't wait to do more. I hope you liked this video. I really enjoyed making this project to the point where I've actually pushed all my other editing videos to the side because I had to do this one. I enjoyed it so much. So if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so. And if you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. I will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.